Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I would like to show you how to transfer files from an iPhone to a Mac system with a MacBook or an iMac. So I've got a MacBook here Pro. So the first thing to do is I'm gonna access the settings on my iPhone before connecting the lightning cable. So what you need is to go to photos and move all the way down. By default it says automatic, so the option you need is keep originals. So I'll come out of here and then connect my lightning cable to get access to my files on my Mac. So I'm going to use an application, inbuilt application in an Apple system, which is called image capture. I'm going to open up Spotlight and start typing image capture to get access to the application. Press enter here. In just few seconds files will start loading, both photos and videos. So if you want to select multiple files, you can press the shift key on the keyboard, then select them. But I'm gonna select just few files, and you can see it says import to pictures, but I'm gonna change that to import to desktop. So that's multiple selection. Porting it to the desktop, click on download. So that's gonna be start. So if you can see those double green tick, that's an indication that the file is already been transferred to your destination of choice. So I'm gonna check few more files. So I'll get one more video here to move it, or copy rather. Your transfer depends on how big your file is. The bigger the file, the longer it takes to transfer your files. So that's another green tick now. So going back to the desktop now to start transfer. So what I'm gonna do now is to do a bit of tidying up, renaming all these files and get rid of one to the bin. Because it's a big file, I don't want to take too much time, because that's why I want to get rid of that big one. So it's about 6 gig plus. So I'm gonna put my USB in to transfer the files in it, but I need to format the USB, otherwise I won't be able to put any files in it. And I need to format it with a file system that allows me to open up the USB in a Windows environment. So as you can see, that's the USB in the desktop there, so it's blank. It's gonna reject all the files I'll be transferring it. It's gonna reject it. So I'm gonna format this by loading disk utility, Spotlight, type disk utility, enter, then select my external USB, which is the SanDisk Cruiser. Select it, then click on erase. It's optional to give it a name, but I like giving it a name. So the format should not be the Apple file system, it should be Windows compatible file system, which is the EX FAT. Then it's gonna be the master boot record. Click on erase. So now files will be able to be transferred to that USB now. As you can see, now it's accepting those files now after being formatted. So I'm gonna remove my USB now. I'm gonna eject it, but in a Mac you don't click on eject like in Windows. You just click it and drag it to the recycle bin. Once you get to the recycle bin, you see like an eject symbol, like you see in the bin. So the USB is out. I'm gonna move that to the Windows system now. Just gonna shut down the system. Here we are now, Windows system, and the USB is already in files. So I'm gonna open up the files and start opening up the videos to see if it works or not. I'm gonna use our VLC application. That's the first video. Then I'll try the next one. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.